Hey guys,
Welcome.
To the magical wonders
of games,
we will be
Teaching you.
the most.
amazing games.
Even you can play at home.
Hello, today we will be going to the top 5 best gaming games that you will ever see on the internet. The first game is Good Team.
Hey guys, my name is Harsh Shah and today I'm going to show you how to play the amazing game called Good Day. So, the original rules of Good Day is you require 5 pieces of small stones, you throw one stone in the air and pick the other stones from the ground without dropping the stone in the air. This game can be played with any amount of people, so you can bring your friends, your family members, anyone and play this game. If you want to play a more easy version, you could play it like take one stone one by one and increase the amount. Like you start from 1, you throw it in the air and catch it, then you move on to 2, then you throw it in the air and catch it until you drop even one single stone. So you can play turn by turn with your family members or with anyone you want. This game increases your hand-eye coordination and this will be very beneficial if you want to play sports further in your life. So I suggest you try out this game. Okay, perfect. And now dear, as a punishment, jump 10 times. Trying to put your knees as high as you can.
Punishment time! Your hands on your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The second game is Lakdi.
Hey guys, I'm Aditi and over here. So I'm in my corridor today and I'm going to show you some fun games to play. So I'm going to make you guys play Langdi today. Langdi is a very fun game to play, it's very pop. And so at least you need 3 people minimum and 4 and more than 4 maximum. And when you're 3 people, you just need 1 dinner with you guys, and when you're more than 4, you need 2 dinners. And just be careful while hopping and just don't try to fall. So I have some kids over here with me who are going to demonstrate the game. So the 2 runners are going to hop and catch us, and we have to continue running until they can catch us. Once everyone's caught, the game's over. So we start.
The third game is 3 Stones.
Guys, I'm here with the 3 stone game. In this game, we need to make a straight line with 3 stones. It's a 2-player game, so the other person needs to stop you and make his own. So it's a bit complicated, but it's really fun. So you create a box with 2 lines in the middle. So it'll create 4 small boxes and 1 big box. So we start with one person taking a stone and placing it anywhere on the 9 points that have been made. So you can make a straight line like this, like this, like this, like this, and even diagonally. So the next person starts and places other stone over here. Then this person places again over here. Now the blue team will place here and stop them from making a straight line. Then this person has to place it over here. Then blue will place it over here. So now, as we've done with all the 3 stones, we don't restart. There has to be a winner. So we take the white team will take a stone and move it anywhere on the board. So any free space. So this boy will move it over here. So now blue will try to stop and move it back here. Now blue is going to make a straight line, so that's why white is going to move this over here. Now team blue has to move it, so team blue will move it here, and then white over here, and then blue can move it over here. White can move it over here because he has no other option, and blue wins the game. Thank you.
Fourth game is Hopscotch.
Hello guys, I'll teach you how to play hopscotch. First start by drawing 8 equal squares like this. Make sure to make them big enough. We will need a shooter, so I've taken a bottle cap. The first player tosses their token onto the first square. If the token doesn't land in the first square, the player loses the turn. If it does fall in the first square, the player hops across on one foot. When the player comes on a pair of squares, the player must land on one foot in each square before hopping to the next square. When the player gets to the end of the board, they turn around . They hop the same way. If they make it without falling, they succeed at that round. Continue this for every round. The first player to complete 8 rounds is the winner.
And the fifth game is Oonch Neech.
Hey guys, so today I'll be teaching you the game Up and Down. It's a very popular game in southern India. You just need 2 people and you're good to go. Okay, so let's go. This game requires 2 surfaces, one lower and one upper. Firstly, the player should choose whether he or she wants to stay on the upper level or lower level. So which level do you want to choose?
I want up.
Since she chose the upper surface, now she has to try and cross from this side to this side. And when she's on the lower surface, the denner gets to catch her. It's a very simple game, so I hope you have fun playing it and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.